This event's been great. It's a good opportunity for kids to see a lot of different things, talk to a lot of people, see what there is out there for trades and training, schooling, just give them an idea of options for their future. We have both an inside booth and an outside booth. Our inside booth is really some more of the technical engineering. We have some drawings and plans they can look at. And our outside booth gives them a chance to get in an excavator, run it, see what the inside of a truck looks like, walk around them. Believe it or not, a lot of these kids have never seen anything like that, and they're pretty amazed, which our hope is it opens their eyes to a career and a future maybe in a trades that they didn't realize they had before. And this just gives them an opportunity to be able to ask questions and put themselves in that setting. 8th graders to seniors, so there's a lot of younger kids that still have a few years of high school left before they decide their career path. We all have to come together as a group in the trades and understand that it's to everyone's benefit to get the workforce developed and promote it. We have everything from laborers in the field, operators, surveyors, project managers in the office, estimators. So what I tell every kid, learning a trade, working in a trade, working over the summer, running equipment, doing things, it's a trade you're going to learn. No one can ever take it away from you. And it's no matter what you do. If you decide to get in the management end of it, if you decide that you want to own a business, learning it from the ground up gives you an understanding of what really needs to be done and ultimately makes you a more effective leader, manager, no matter what you do. And end of the day, sometimes just learning what a day's work is and sweating and seeing what you've done is one of the best things that we can all take away from a job. Events like this are important because the more we can get in front of our kids and let them see and let them experience, the better off they are going to be making the decisions of what they want to do.
Now put your left hand down.